Hey, hello. We are back. Hey, I don't know how many people are watching, but we are back. We are back. And yeah, let's everybody join first, and then I'll share my day updates for the day. Whoa, today was some day, guys. Where is our stream? Are we streaming already? I don't even know that. So let's go to Restreams dashboard first. View the chat and let's pop out. Perfecto. We are here. Varun, hey Varun, welcome to the stream, man. Hind, yeah. Hello, Hind, and happy life, yo. Bring in codes. I'm here. Awesome. So again, we are all here on the small corner of the internet. Let's start working. Today was a big day, guys. Like I was out from since morning around 9 a.m. and I just reached home. I think at 8:30 p.m. I was like with family function, a lot of pics, selfies, colors, music, food. Today was a very big day. I didn't do anything except for making this registration page, and I think I missed my time for the release. It's Some of the tasks are still pending. I'm really sorry. I wanted to make it live as soon as possible, but there are still some things which I need to do. Tomorrow is Sunday, so I'm planning to work on Sunday, and by Monday we will have the version 1 ready. I have to make that video as well. I'm not working, well, not on my job, lol. Okay, cool. Today is a weekend, right? So you can chill. Blinking codes. You can push on your project though. I'm coding on my app. Awesome. That's perfect. Amit, hi Divyanshu. Hi Amit. How are you doing? 9 watching. Awesome. 9 people on a weekend. I really appreciate you guys. So what I'm working on, I'm making this register now page. Technically in 2 hours our app should be released, but it's not yet. My parent failed for membership, payment for failed due to my card issues. No worries, man. I really appreciate even becoming a member for a month. That's more than enough for me, and it was very nice of you. Rohit Kumar. Hi Rohit. I need just one suggestion. I am not very sure of what kind of video I should make next. I have like couple of footages for an MCP video which I was making, but I'm noticing the tutorial videos, I'm not really enjoying making them because they become too technical. My work is already so technical, then making a video technical. I do not feel any creative urge to make that kind of video. I'm thinking maybe the day in a life, that could be a video which I can make, and in that I can just share the routines which I follow in a day. And then there is a small trip coming up this next week, so that will be fun. And I don't know if you guys want to watch it. I'm going somewhere for a few days, and I want to document that and maybe push a video on that. I'll not be carrying my Mac Studio, so I don't know if I'll be doing the live streams similarly. I'll try to, but yeah, let's see. For some reason I'm noticing my capturer is not capturing properly, so let me just update this. So the display capture is taking too much of space. Home screen, let's fix this issue by this. Cool, we are good. Okay, what is there? Yo, hello Pakoda, hello, hi Rohit. And just make day in a life video. Yes, sure. Next video is day in a life. I want to I've been slacking on YouTube videos and I want to make more. So yeah, I definitely want to push 2-3 cool videos to get like my rhythm back. Yeah, make some vlogs as well. Awesome. I will. Pakoda, पानी से नहीं खेलना चाहिए था होली पे, fever नहीं चल. That's the worst. I mean, this is the time when the season changes and a little bit of cold can get you into this roller coaster ride of a fever spree. I was that guy who used to get sick almost like 2-3 times a year, but since I've been like a bit active on my eating habits and my workout routines, I've noticed my body has developed some sort of resistance. Touch wood, I haven't fallen sick for last 6 months now, and I want to continue doing that, because if you get sick once, I lie in bed for like 1 week. It's the worst. You can't do anything. And this is, when I was making this decision on the starting of this year on 2025, I thought I'll do meditation for 365 days this year. And this was the concern I had back then. What if I fall sick? Because then I do not feel like doing anything. Then I thought, okay, it's meditation, right? I can just lie on my bed and just meditate for 10 minutes. That way I do not break my streak. So far, there is no fever since 2025 is starting. So hope, fingers crossed, that should not be a problem in the next more coming months as well. Your filmmaking skills are awesome. Thank you. And thanks to Shivanshu though. The last video was edited by him. He used some crazy editing techniques like using dehancer, color grading, adding these little bit of what you call them, noise, and to make it more cinematic. And the idea, the thumbnail idea was his, and the initial shot was his idea, where I was just doing some work on my screen and he just moved his camera back and I'm just continue talking in a continuous shot. All that was his idea, and I love that part. So if Shivanshu is here, Shivanshu, thank you so much for making that video possible. It came with some price though. He asked me to do something for him as well. So yeah, we'll be keeping our promises. Rohit, the season is shit in Delhi. It's really good in Haldwani though. I'm loving the temperature. I'm loving the clouds. I'm loving the blue sky. The mountains are visible so clearly. I'm even thinking going to the mountains this coming week, somewhere to the top. Tour of the home setup will be cool too. Blinken, you mean the home setup? Yes, that's a good idea. Thank you, Blinken, because I have done this tour setup on my Goa home, and I can do the similar thing for my home tour as well, home studio setup. Yeah, thank you. So yeah, 2 videos this week. I got cool ideas. Homework setup. Another is day in a life. Yes, let's do that. Shubham, you're back. Kashyap Prajapati, what is saying? How to build and earn from SaaS. So you just build the SaaS, start marketing it, and hope people will buy your subscriptions. That's the only way. But yeah, on the serious note, it takes a lot of time, man. I haven't earned any single dollar from this post handle yet. It's still not launched. I've been working on it for last 2 months now. I think, 2 months dedicatedly. I mean, not dedicatedly, I can't say dedicatedly, a kind of a side project. And yeah. What's going on? Shubham, nothing much, man. Today was Holi in Uttarakhand. So today was the day when we celebrated Holi. I was with my family. We had a blast. Health tips from Dev. I'm not very healthy person myself. I've been a very obese, fat person, only working for most of my life. In the last couple of years, I picked running initially. I was running 2-3 kilometers just to, make a habit of running. I got super inspired by Casey Neistat, if anybody of you know him. I loved his passion for running, and that caught me, that bug of running. And then I started running slowly. Then I increased to 5. Then I took a target of running a marathon, which I completed last year. And that's how I got into health. And now I just run every day, almost 5 to 10 kilometers, and go to the gym for 40-45 minutes. That's the only healthy thing. And I just take my calories intake very seriously. I do not consume a lot of sugar, do not eat junk. That's the only healthy things I do. How to build and earn from SaaS? Kashyap, yeah. How to build? Okay, Kashyap is asking the same thing. Today I'm working and have too much work. Awesome, Shubham. That's great. So I won't join the chat. Awesome. I will miss you though. I miss your rants. Yeah, and the ending when the camera goes up. That was Shivanshu as well. So the chat will be quiet. I'll miss you, Shubham. Shubham, by the way, today red moon. Really? I haven't seen the moon today. That's what everyone is trying to find out. Exactly. That's what I'm trying to find out. So if you see me building this app, and if I share my, how much I am earning in next 1 or 2 months, I'll give you all the secrets which I did. Varun, woke up, did my thing, worked on Cap IQ for 1-2 hours, attended classes, got burned out, took some rest. Now just waiting for your video. Varun, you're so cool, man. You're also an inspiration. In that college time, you are putting out your time and building Cap IQ, and that too with that quality. I mean, the quality you're bringing on that project is really top notch. Kashyap, suggest best resources of FFmpeg. Best resources, I mean FFmpeg official website, or even ask AI. AI knows a lot of FFmpeg. Whenever I'm stuck on something, I just ask AI. Gaurav, TechWords, I am back. Hey Gaurav, welcome back, man. Welcome back. Today the chat is pretty active. I like it. I like it. Took a break today and ordered pizza. By the way, bro's favorite fruit is banana, and his grandma hides banana. I feel like you saw my Instagram. So I went to my meet my grandma, and we generally celebrate all the festivals like Holi, Diwali, or all major festivals with in our like paternal grandmother's house. Uh, so yeah, and she's so cute. She loves me so much. And you know what she did? Like she gave me these banana. She's 95-year-old, and she gave me this small pack of banana. She called me first in a secret place in her room, and she said, "I have kept these bananas for you because you love them." And the bananas were, all rotten, very old. Maybe she's like keeping them safe for like a couple of weeks, and it was so sweet, that small gesture. Registration start ho gaya. Gaurav, I'm working on it. So when you click on this register now button, I'm making this small kind of a form which you have to fill so that I know a little bit of info of your like name, your email, and then you continue on it. Wait, you have to fill a few things. Then you continue, you have to give like where you will share these names. You can select multiple, and I'm stuck on here. Like now you have to help me. What are the things I would need here? I would need a little bit more info, right? When you are registering. So maybe I will ask you to, what else I need? I don't need anything. I'll just take your entry, and then you have to submit a link of your posted URLs, which I'm thinking will be part of the Memathon dashboard, will not be part of the post handle dashboard, because I do not want to mess up post handle dashboard with an extra Memathon videos, which kind of makes sense, right? Pagoda, Lambo Urus is in your garage, tells everything about your earnings. Lambo Urus? Where is the Lambo, man? I have an EcoSport which is 8 years old now. I took a photo I sent on Discord. By the way, it's my balcony. Really? Let's see Shubham's balcony. Shubham gave me a DM here. Wow. Very nice view from your balcony. And yeah, I can see the red moon. Very nice pic. And so cute. Yeah, it was. Yeah, that's why I posted on Instagram as well with the group picture. So when will the registration start so that I can go and work? Registration will start on Monday. My promise. Sunday I'll wrap up all my work and we'll publish it as a release. I'm sorry I missed the deadline, which was 15th. We are already very close. So because I'm saying Monday because I need a little bit of time tomorrow, because on 15th I just came back like 30 minutes back, and I just set up this studio for this stream, and I don't even know what I'll be doing in this stream, to be honest. And I need one more help from you guys. What do you think? Like what kind of how to make these streams more engaging? Do you feel these streams are doing good, like providing any value? Because I personally, when I watch these streams, I was watching like day before and day before straight stream. I'm mostly working. I don't know if I'm providing any value to anyone. I'm just reading chat for 1 hour and just yapping in general. So I want to make sure like these streams do provide some sort of a value to you as well, the people who are joining them. I don't know why it's looking like sun, but naked eye it's red. So on Monday, yes, on Monday we'll make it live. Okay, let's keep this thing on the corner where we generally put it, so that I can have a bird's eye view on what's going on. Some feedback poll inside the live chat. Feedback poll on what? That's a good idea, Gaurav. But what kind of feedback should I take? Because I have already asked like all the questions I was thinking of. Uh, mm, mm, mm. Yeah, that's a good thing. Like we should definitely take more polls. Hmm. I think you add only value in me. I chat, you reply me back. Yeah, it's kind of a live stream for Shubham's questions. Shubham Q&A, we can name them. All the title should be Q&A with Shubham. Divyanshu answering. LinkedIn, I do because we talk about using different AI tools and which work will and which do not. That's what I'm thinking. Maybe like I should focus more on sharing more, AI news, what I'm reading, because I read a lot. I read a lot of things which come out. Like today only I was traveling, but as you know, I'm a nerd. So I was reading on my phone about this Gamma 2 release by Google, and it's really cool what Google is doing. And I was reading someone's thread. Someone wrote a very big thread about it, and he said like, in the long run, Google is the clear winner on the AI race, on the LLM race, because nobody has more data than what Google has. So right now they are behind because their team is still figuring things out. They can't release their core data, and they have a model right now, their LLM, which has infinite context. You know how big of a deal that is, but that is internal in their company. Once that gets out, infinite context and a really good reasoning LLM, I mean, it's game over for everyone. Right now, everyone is using these RAG tools by linking different data sets, and where the context sometimes misses and the LLM hallucinates, and Google can fix it. Google can like kill everything there. It's not about the value, but the connection between you and your audience. Yes, that too. I hope like I'm making a good connection though with you guys. I mean, like connection part, I'm trying to bridge with these communications, but still, I feel when someone is joining and spending their 1 hour, I should definitely be providing a little bit more value than just working on my project. Because my momentum is solid right now. I mean, like I can just work on the day. I can even work after this live stream. So my momentum wise, I'm very solid. What was initially why I started doing these streams. Then I started loving these streams because, it felt like I'm in a group talking about things what I love, and that's why I'm like still doing it. The initial plan was to do these for like 7 days. Then I started doing it for 30 days. Then I thought, okay, let's do it for 60 days. Yesterday I was chatting with my brother, and he told me, like I was thinking, hey, it's going for on a very long time. How long should I do these streams? He said, let's give us a 60-day time. Like let's do it for 60 days and see what is the retro of all the 60 days, and maybe then push the limit or reduce it. But until 60, we should not stop. I mean, like I'm not planning to stop or such, but I'm thinking like what else I can do. It should not become a monotonous Q&A sessions and just me doing some small work. It should provide some sort of value, or maybe just I'm overthinking. I need your help with Cap IQ, but I'll wait until you're free. Once you're done with all the post-standard stuff and have a little time, I'll ask up. Then I'll work on other things in it. Sure, Varun. And thank you so much for understanding this timeline for me as well. I really appreciate that. But yeah, as soon as I get some time, most probably on Monday, I will look into all the PRs which you have submitted. I will give the next idea on the things to make like it as a product. The main goal, the MVP one, is our goal, where user can select their folder of the images and it can just do its thing, and I can able to select my book B-rolls, whatever I need, any video on my directory, I can just search about it and get it. To engage people, such as some question related to concepts, or you want to have some changes? I mean, yeah, to engage people as well. Plus, something like I'm thinking, what if I was the viewer and I'm watching this live stream after it's over for 1 hour? What did I get out of it? I don't know. I could be totally wrong, but keyboard cam feed sort of a distraction from the main screen. Okay. Do you want me to remove this? I can remove it. It's gone. So let's remove the keyboard view for now. Shubham, bro, but you are Shubham is always exaggerating. I feel embarrassed, Shubham, when you say that. You know everything. I don't know everything. I don't even know a lot of things. Kashyap, short relax. What is short relax? Gaurav, on 12th March, they released Gemini 2 Flash image generation model. Now, yes, I saw that. It's crazy. Like, they have released an image gen model, which is, I think, better than anything else in the market right now. Akhil, welcome to the stream, man. How are you doing? How are you doing, Akhil? Varun, I think your live sessions are motivating and the people in chat are sharing some really cool tools and AI stuff. I mean, that's a value. That's some sort of a value, right? I'm providing a little bit of motivation plus a little bit of talk about AI's tools, something to improve there as well. Maybe I could come prepared with 5 topics, 5 new news on AI, and we can just talk about that so that everyone who do not want to read everything on internet like me can get that info, and I can just open up that blog post. We can talk about it. We can share I can share my insights, what I feel, how I will use this on my workflow, what you guys think about it. I think that could be a thing. That will need me like 30 minutes or preparations to pick those 5 things. Shubham, but can't Google just use all the data they have and train their model, and it's Google, everything is available? Yes, Google will do that. Google is trying to do that. The problem with Google is a huge company and there is a lot of bottlenecks in that company. One of the main thing is because they are so huge, so all the media is always on them. So if they release something which is a little bit racist, like Elon Musk doesn't care. He releases Grok with crazy, racism in it. So I saw one tweet today where the Grok LLM was abusing someone. I can show you. It was so funny. Grok abusing. This was crazy. Let me show you Grok abusing. This one. So someone abused him and then Grok is saying so I mean sorry. So I mean, Grok doesn't care. Grok doesn't care about anything. So Grok is so, I mean, this Grok team has gone crazy. They do not care about what people will think, what mass media will think about them, how bad publicity they will get. But Google does think about all of these things. Last time their image gen model was released where some prominent white figure people from the history were created as black people, and this kind of racism came out and from Google side, and they got a lot of bad mouth from the mass media, and then they had to shut down their whole image gen model. So that's why they are like scared to release something so raw, and this is the thing why they are like keeping themselves a little bit walking over eggshells right now, because they do not want to release something which will offend someone. This is the problem with Google. But eventually, because they have the huge data set, which is kind of a big moat to create an LLM, there is no other moat. Everyone know, like DeepSeek has shown to the world that there is no moat on an LLM training. It can be done with that kind of a cheap system which they developed. So technically, the real moat is the data, and Google more than like the data which Google has, no one has that kind of data. Daily live stream watchers are not only just subscribers now. Yes, they are kind of a family now. They're kind of like a small group of friends I hang out with. Okay, what is happening? Rohit, Google is also focusing on quantum computing stuff. Yes, Google is working on it. I think all the big tech companies are working on it. Microsoft is working on it. I mean, in China, there are few companies who are working on it. Maybe Nvidia would be working on it. So yeah. By the way, Windsurf launched a student plan which is so much affordable. Really? Windsurf affordable. Windsurf student plan. Windsurf is trying to get Windsurf for students, as much traction as possible, as early as possible. $6.90. I'm paying $10, so yeah, I mean, it will be a little bit of AI fellow program, passionate about AI. The Coding Fellowship has simple mission: educate students about AI tools, and serves the campus, talks, workshop, event more. Yeah, guys. So whoever is a student definitely should buy Windsurf 690, almost like $7, which is like how much? 600 rupees a month. Steal deal. I mean, steal deal if you want to build something with that. Already Windsurf gives you a lot of credits which you will not finish, I'm pretty sure, compared to Cursor. Shubham, Varun, okay. Happy Saturday, everyone. Happy Saturday, Larry. How are you doing? You can keep a segment where you can just share whatever knowledge you got in the day. Can do. Maybe on the start of the stream where we start, where we have like a couple of users joined in, I can just start yapping about 2-3 things which I read in the day. That's what I was thinking as well. What is Holi? Is it part of a Ramadan? So Holi is a Hindu festival in India. It's like you can think of it as a big gathering party where colors are flying, snacks are served, and music is played. So it's like a fun party with families. So families just gather around, they color each other. I can show you one pic though. Wait. Where is my... Wait, I don't have that pic right now. So yeah, Holi is like color festival of colors. No, it's on a different festival. Okay, Korea. It must be training on Elon's tweets. It could be, yeah. Short Relax is an AI powered tool that transforms long videos into engaging YouTube shorts, Instagram reels, and the social media clips with maximum impact. Short Relax, that sounds something like what we are building in the long term. Short Relax, because I saw the other thing. I can't find it though. If you can share the link here, or just tell me what because I can't find it by googling. So yeah, Kashyap, if you can send the link, it would be really helpful. I know about one tool which does the same thing, which was the OG tool which created such concept initially, which was called Opus Clips. I have used it. I do not find it much valuable, and their pricing is a little bit on the higher end. Okay, that's danger. Grok respect plus plus. Everyone thinks Google is lagging in the areas, but they are just slow cooking something. When they drop it, boom. Exactly. This is what will happen. Google is going to crush the AI game very soon. Very, very soon. All these LLMs will be scared with the Google's data model. And they have a very long vision. You know, they are working on these gamma models, which are very small, 1 billion parameter. They have a very small model which can run on your Chrome. So I downloaded one Canary version of Chrome, which has an inbuilt AI in it. So you cannot, like, it works offline because it's running on your Chrome. It's so small. Back then it was so dumb that it was hallucinating all the time. And their long-term vision is to make it smarter. So later on you will have a proper LLM which can help you with, writing, email and everything without sending any query to any server. It's all happen on your Chrome only. Grok +1. Toka 0. There's no talk of safe AI anymore. Yeah, nobody's talking about safe AI. I mean, that was just a tactic to slow down other companies, so the companies who are like talking about it can catch up to them. Did they train Grok in Delhi? Is $10 Windsurf available still? I don't think so. So $10 I got because I was a early adopter, so they gave me the $10 discount. I loved it, so that's why I'm like paying for it. It's kind of helpful. Does anyone know good AI tool for writing documentation? For writing documentation, I'm using Cursor for writing documentation as well. I have a full blown, I can show you one project. So I'm going to make one video as well on this. I don't know how valuable that will be, but let me share you one thing. So this is one of the project which I'm currently working on. This is the name of the project is Div CEO. This is a Cursor project, and I have a lot of things here, and this writes my today.md file, which is like what I have to do today. I can't show it because there is a little bit of sensitive information. every day I go in the morning for sit and talk to cursor that, hey, so yesterday I got these things done and help me make my today's plan. Based on all the data which I have given to the cursor, it writes the perfect today task for me, and I do not have to think about what to do. It has all the things written based on like schedule. Okay, work on this on morning because it's a little bit complex, and work on the daytime on this because this is a little bit complex, and work on this on the evening because this is not at all complex, and you will not feel like working too much because you can just do it easily. So it does all the things for me, this whole CEO project, and this is kind of my CEO. So I'm the CTO, this is the CEO. CEO tells me we have to do this because we have to reach our goals, and that's how I'm operating. I want to make a dedicated video though on this, like how I set this up, how I'm using it. I hope that will be helpful. Even this video's data can be used for training LLM. Just Google things. Google is using all the data. I mean, they emailed me on my YouTube channel that all my videos will be translated in different languages, most probably like Hindi and other languages, automatically. So my videos will be launching in multiple languages very soon on my voice. Like it will be my voice, but in different languages. I mean, how cool that would be. I don't have to do anything for that. The colors they throw on people, yes, kind of. They don't throw. I mean, there are people who do throw. What we do is how I celebrated it is we go, we meet like my relatives, we put a little bit of color on their face, they put a little bit of color on our face, we just share some sweets with them, and then we sing songs or we play music, we just dance on it. That's how we celebrate Holi. It's so much fun. But if it's in the boundaries, I mean, I have seen people who celebrate it on a very violent level as well, where they're throwing balloons and throwing all different kinds of colors, very strong colors. I do not like that kind of Holi personally. You miss bhang during Holi. Guys, bhang contains THC, and the things I have read about THC, I'm like very scared about it. I have seen it on video. Well, happy Holi, everyone. Thank you, Larry. By the way, I just gained 500 followers on Twitter in just a week. Is my content good? I just post raw tweets. That's the thing, Happy Life. I think Twitter really appreciates when you share raw data. And I have not been active on Twitter for a very long time now. I want to. But yeah, congrats to you on reaching 500. But the type of content you're pushing, you will reach 1,000 very soon. Happy Holi, everyone. Shivanshu, happy Holi. Code Crusader, how is it going? I created a deep report about AI. Wow, interesting. Every minute thing. If you want, you can share with us, Code Crusader, or if it's not a private thing which you are doing for yourself. Happy, I loved your content. I actually am going to post the same post. The time lapses, yes. Can we make a similar app with the help of the Google image generation model? Which kind of app? We can. I think all their APIs are available, which they are using. That's the thing with Google. They have a strong SDK system. So all the SDKs are live for developers to be used. Calling Larry Divanshu, I'd love to see more of that CEO project. If you could show a clean version. Larry, I would. I'm making a video on it. It's very interesting. So I got this idea in one day, like I think few weeks. I think it's been 4 weeks now. And I thought, why I'm always wasting my time on a Notion doc, writing everything by myself and like a caveman? Why I'm not telling it the cursor to do it based on my post data? It can do a better job than me. It can brainstorm better. So I gave all my responsibilities of what to do to cursor now. Sorry, but this YouTube stream not allowed me to share this repo link. Kashyap, if you are available on Discord, you can join our Discord. You can share any link there. And if that's a link, remove the dots or slashes from it so I can figure it out that it's a link and I can just post it by myself or like edit that. Why is Shivanshu calling? Why are you calling me Shivanshu? I'm on a live stream. You are here as well. So yeah, just send me a message on WhatsApp. Yeah, I will share this on Discord. Okay. Code Crusader. Everyone must be okay. Okay. I think I have gone through all the chats. It was fun to finish up this. This seems like a task as well to finish all the chats. Guys, do like this stream. I would really appreciate it if anybody who is here and not liking it. My brother told me to say this a couple of times so that we get good likes. I do not like to say that though. Okay, let's take a poll. Which LLM will win? I think that's it. Open AI, Claude. It's not Claude, it's Anthropic, or maybe I can say Chat GPT, Claude, Gemini. What else is there? DeepSeek. Start poll. Let's see what you guys think. Your Redstream product good and useful. I heard a similar app like WeChat, which OpenAI bought $50 million. Like WeChat, Redstream. I am not following here, Code Crusader. What are you saying? Calling Nari, thanks. Thank you so much, Calling Nari. Oh, my messages are deleted, lol. Yeah, I mean, maybe the moderation of YouTube. Easy, Claude. Shubham, you are not listening. You are not listening what I'm saying. As per my poll here, I would say Google in the long run. Like Toko. I have seen that meme that I think this is someone teaching on like it's some teacher on some education courses or classes, and he's like because you use it. Nice App is a website which create YouTube thumbnail. I was asking about same web app using Google image generation. Oh, okay. Snap, happy Holi, bro. Happy Holi, Snap. Happy Holi to you too. Gaurav, your message was retracted again. I don't know what's happening. Profile name. GitHub link is this name. Is it like your GitHub username? Okay, so this is Kashyap's link, and what is the link you are saying here? What we should check? Oh, you are killing it this last 3 months. Wow, interesting. So Kashyap, what are you saying? What are you looking here? Hey Vishnu, welcome to the stream, man. Thoughts on running a Kickstarter campaign as a solo dev and self-funding my app? That's a very interesting idea. I have no experience with Kickstarter. I was like back in I think 2019. There was one of my friend who was building something in IoT, and he used to call me and we used to brainstorm these ideas around making a campaign on Kickstarter. It didn't reach so far, like we didn't do that, but I don't know. For software, it will be very hard. For hardwares, I mean, Kickstarter is very good. Software, I don't know. I have no experience. Maybe you can try and give your learnings to us. Poor DeepSeek. Oh, DeepSeek is getting 0 or something? DeepSeek is a 0. So Kashyap is a beast. Yeah, Kashyap is killing it. Like, okay, Kashyap, so it's your thing. Short relax. Wow, okay. It's your product. Okay, very nice. So Kashyap, can you give us a demo by using any of my live streams and just see how this product performs? Or do you want me to do it in any live stream? Not today though, maybe next time. Or if you can provide a demo, that would be really helpful, because you know how to work with this. It will save us a little bit of time. I just want to see how it will work for my streams, because if it does create these short clips, it will help my editor. So I have recently hired one editor to make short form content for my live streams. Varun, Aviars and Divyanshu, your live feel good. Thank you so much. Yeah, Aviars is is an idol. I've been following him for a long time. He was only posting Instagram images long back, I think 5 years back. Then slowly, gradually, he started doing reels. Then he started doing YouTube. Then he started doing live, and he has grown an amazing audience. He's one of the cool dude I want to become at that age. Check it out, Repo. Kashyap, we are on the repo right now. This is it, right? Short relax. I mean, like, it's not hosted anywhere. I have to do all this git cloning, installing, port running. So I'm thinking maybe I'll put some dedicated time some other day to do all this after this stream. So to check how does it work. And if you can help it, like with my Onivod stream, if you want to just demo it, post anything on our Discord channel, that would be helpful too. Not that you have to do it. I will do it. I will check this out. But if you want to, you can. Just search Dhasu sir. Oh, yes. Yes, oh, Dhasu sir. What is Kashyap software? Kashyap is making short relax. The Happy Holi, man. 0 degree. Thank you. Happy Holi to you too, man. Happy Holi, everyone. Happy Holi. Happy Holi, guys. Happy life. Just curious, who is big brother, you or Shivanshu? What? So from the images, it looks like he is, but technically I am. So he's 6 years younger than me, and I have another one. Like, we are 3 brothers, and the middle one, he's 1 year younger than me. I'm the eldest. Yeah, I do not look like though. I look like the youngest one in the family, and that's the secret I will not tell to those 2 guys. Kashyap, it's currently building stage. Oh, okay, you are currently building it. I'm rooting for the success of this product because this looks something which kind of will help me. And to be honest, I'm also working on the similar domain. So we both are competitors now, and you're doing it open source. So I'm a little bit jealous of you. Why are you doing this to me? Why are you killing my business? Just kidding. There will be multiple products very soon. Every product will be fighting for 100 other alternates, and the distribution will be the key here there, and the taste, what kind of UX you are using, what kind of UI you have, how easy it is for an end user to use your product. So all these things will matter, and I wish you all the best on this as well. You already have a moat by making it open source. As well as when I deployed it free, it gave me. Oh, okay, just do it once. Let's all have fun. You are one. Search Dhasu. No, man, that's Blinkin code will leave the stream by watching Dhasu sir. What's the status of Memathon, bro? Memathon, we are, where is it? Yeah, we are working on the registration page. I just came, Vishnu. Don't shout at me. You are my product manager. I know you are looking for it to be released on 15th, but I'm sorry to say we'll be delaying it for next 2 days. So today I'll not be working on it much. I'll use tomorrow as a buffer, as it's Sunday, but I will still work on Sunday. Then on Monday I'll be publishing the Memathon live. 0 degree elder. What? Third brother is the mystery. Third brother is if you watch my image, if anyone of you is on my Instagram, watch my story, you can figure it out. He looks kind of like me. Damn, bro, you anti-aging or something? That's a secret I will not tell to anyone. I have a secret call with Brian Johnson. Where is the third brother now? He's in the house. He's also a coder, so he's building his own a platform for. He's into trading a lot. He does day trading. He does options. He does forex. He does a lot of such kind of things. And now he's working. He was a developer before, like front-end developer. So now he's using all his front-end knowledge with this trading knowledge to build a platform for kind of like automation trading platform, something like that. He's not very talkative. He doesn't share a lot of info about it. I just get some gist based on what he's working on. Whenever I go to his room, I just see him working on something. I don't know what it is, how the UI looks. He's not a person who shares a lot. He's not like me. Like me, I'm sharing all the things I'm working on openly with everyone. He's not that guy. He's secretively working on something. Damn bro, UND. Okay, we have third brother. Santoor soap is the secret. I use Fiamma Devils if anybody is interested. You are the eldest, but you look the youngest. That's I get this compliment everywhere. Everywhere I get this. You look the youngest in the family. Kashyap, some weird error as well as I'm worried about Cloudinary free storage. Oh, okay. Just once, Dhasu sir for Blinken. No man. By the way, bro is just here to chill and talk today. Yes, that's what I said. Like fun stream, fun session. We'll just talk, guys. Any question, anything you want to like ask. We'll be just talking today. It was a big day. It was a hectic day today, and I do not wanted to break this momentum of streams every day. So that's why I'm here for 1 hour, and we have been just chatting there, right? And I'm loving it because you can see. Okay, I heard my name. What did I miss? Blinken. So some of the guys are asking me to show you one meme, which is like an Indian teacher talking about likes, how like their it's only like it's a cultural relevant meme. So I'm just telling them Blinken might run away from this stream. He watches that meme. Can we combine both your products as well as mine? What's your POV? I don't know. I'll have to think about it. Can't say anything right now. Sure, nothing. I asked him to play something and he's saying that trading, I want to meet him. Don't worry, it will be worth the wait, bro. Trust him. I was just kidding. Okay, Hind, you are the most ambitious tribe I have seen.
Life super chatted $2.30. Debate like Thoko Sablog.
Wow, it sounds weird in Hindi. Thank you. Happy life. Where is my love? Yeah, it's a confetti day. Wait, where is that confetti thing? Confetti. We got a super chat after few days. Confetti time. Okay, nothing. I asked him. Okay. This we have gone through. You are the most ambitious. Thank you so much, Ant, for saying that. Yeah, we all try different things. We are trying. Like we all quit kind of our jobs last year. Parents are not that happy though. They're thinking what happened to our kids. They're ruining their life. Can you share your GitHub link? Okay, Kashyap. It's not. That's true. Most ambitious trial. Thank you. Like Tokyo. Kudos. Happy life. Thank you. Happy life. Devrat, when you gonna post challenge link? Devrat on 17th. I'm sorry. I told you last time on 15th, but life got me and I could not finish things on time. So on 17th, I'm like, give me this time. Trust me this time. On 17th, 100%. Shubham, now show the video. Blinken won't go. Dhasu sir, okay. Let's see this. YouTube. Dhasu sir. This one.
X का वैल्यू आपको दे रखा है, मैं फिर बता रहा हूं बच्चों, X का वैल्यू 2a है, Y का वैल्यू 2b है और Z का वैल्यू। मैंने आपसे कहा था एडवांस मैथ का क्वेश्चन मुंह जवानी बन जाता है, इसमें दिमाग लगाने का जरूरत नहीं है। सवाल में जो आपसे पूछा गया, जो बच्चे ने क्वेश्चन मेरे को बजाज से पूछा गया था x²/yz। तो ऐसे सवालों को करने के लिए देखिए, एक तो बेसिक ट्रिक है, एक तो लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए महाकाल का से। लाइक और शेयर लौटे दिख जाना चाहिए। 4000 के लिए मैं यहां पे नहीं खड़ा हूं, पूरा साल मेहनत करता हूं आपके लिए बेटा। ऐसा नहीं चलेगा। लाइक ठोकी दबा के।
Guys, like the stream as well. Okay, you happy Shubham? Bro, super chat नहीं, stream करो, stream को. Bruh, super chat. What is it? Oh, this is on stream. I'm very sorry. I don't know. I thought it's a super chat stream. Okay, I don't know the difference though. I just see some colors and some money on the chat. I think of it as a super chat. Aniket, what do you think about the future of jobs in IT? I feel like everyone is now creating their own SaaS companies, benching their employees, etc. Things will be, this is a transitional phase happening where most of the engineers who are just working on small things in the companies, now the companies will have to think what to do with all these engineers which they have. The work of almost 200 companies now is done by 10, 12 people. So I think I've already told this in other previous streams as well, that now in the future, there are two possibilities. Either there will be massive job cuts for software engineers. This is one possibility. I do not believe that to happen. On the second hand, there is a possibility that, a lot of people who never thought of starting their software company will start, because there is a huge demand of software in the world. Right now, I need at least 10 softwares in my system, which do not exist. And similarly, there are people who have these ideas they want to build. So initially, the barrier to entry or as a building your software company was very high, which has reduced now with AI. So there will be a lot of software companies coming up in next 2 years. So there will be a huge demand for engineers from these software companies, but the demand will not be as high as it was earlier. So technically the pool will remain same, but it will spread across instead of just, in different pools of different companies. Like initially there were like 10 companies hiring 200 people. Now, so that makes 2,000 engineers. Now there will be 200 companies hiring 10 engineers. So again, 2,000 engineers. So you will be accommodated in across different companies, because there will be more companies coming up. This is my hypothesis, what will happen, because that's what I'm seeing right now. I do not see any job going or people losing their jobs. There is still huge demand, but I see new companies coming up a lot. Even in the YC batch, if you see, there's a huge YC batch this year, and all of them are in the AI domain. So AI is opening some doors which never exist. So once these kind of doors or waves come, they bring a lot of opportunities. So yeah, Aniket, I hope that helps. Ek bar please, like Toko, show why South Indian. Okay, this is something else. Can anyone provide me Discord link? Discord link is usually shared by our Nightbot. You can just say bang Discord and it will share it to you. I'll do it once I finish these chats. First price change kar do, Sarji. Devrat, why? What do you think about? You don't like Asus ROG phone? Shubham, whoa, I'm laughing so hard. I didn't understand anything. Snap. Yes, it's a meme Shubham was interested in. I just played it. And Div, try doing that. Maybe we'll get more likes. I'm missing Rashmika's question. Yeah, Rashmika will drop in someday with some crazy ass question. Do you know about SLCCST which you use in our company? I have this question which is so niche and I need an answer now. Can freelance be a possibility? Freelance is a possibility. Freelance, like right now, I think most of the company, I've noticed nowadays most of the companies are looking for freelance developers because they want to build products very quickly, and with AI it's possible. So they just plug in few engineers, build this feature, launch it, and they just remove the freelancer. So it costs company a lot less to onboard and deboard these engineers even in the hiring process. So yeah, I mean, freelance is a very solid career. What's one mistake you have made in your indie dev journey that you wish you had caught earlier? You know what mistake I have made? I'm still making that mistake. That is not marketing enough, not having a good proper channel of marketing. And yeah, that's the only mistake I'm making all the time. I'm mostly focused on building my mindset. My whole brain chemistry has developed in this way that I'm a builder. I just build things. I do not know how to distribute them. I do not know how to sell them. And I want to fix this as soon as possible. Without selling, product is nothing. So yeah, this is what I'm trying to fix and work on this year. Gemini Deep Research versus ChatGPT Research, which is the best? I haven't used the Gemini Deep Research. I have used ChatGPT Deep Research and a Grok 3 Deep Research. I found Grok's one a little bit better. I don't know, it gets a bit better info for me. When computers were invented, they were supposed to take everyone's jobs. They just created more. Exactly. This is the same thing. Anything new comes up, our mind is always in this fear mode. Anything new comes up, we are fearful. Then we are like, interesting. And then we are like, oh, this is so cool. Why didn't we invented this before? I want to be ML engineer. I would like solve real world problems, natural disaster, etc. Awesome. All the best, Code Crusader. That's a very, very ambitious dream. I wish you all the best. Happy life. I am getting DMs from kids to share roadmaps on Twitter. What should I reply them? Or should I just hand them roadmap.sh like you do? Exactly, just hand them roadmap.sh. Or if you have enough time, you can just go and write a lengthy thread about it. Varun, I heard something cool. A Java full stack developer shared that he and his team are using Cursor and completing projects in 15 days that used to take 2 months. Interesting. Yeah, that's definitely possible now, right? But marketing is scary. Marketing is not scary. You know, I will tell you what my problem with marketing is. As a developer, we have developed this reward system in our brain. Like, you write something, you get the output. You do something, you get the output. So, you know, this brain is really wired into thinking we do something, we get the reward. We do something, we get the reward. And now it's that brain. Now we have this tendency. We want to do something and we want to get the reward. Marketing doesn't work like that. You share your thing to 100 people, maybe 1 or 2 will come, or maybe they will not. They will be 0. So then your brain will think, maybe I'm doing something wrong. I'm not doing it right. And then you will share it to 1,000 people. Then there will be like 2 people who will join. You'll say, what, only 1,000? I posted on 1,000 places, but only 2 people came. Then your brain is again, no man, you're doing something wrong. So you are always in this state that you are doing something wrong, but that is marketing. Marketing is just sharing more and expecting less. And that's how people who come from fundamentals of marketing, they know this and their brain is wired in this way, versus us who are developers, our brain is wired into, we do X, we get Y. And the correlation is very, very strict. It's kind of a formula in maths. You do X plus Y, you get Z. And that doesn't happen in marketing. That's why we developers hate marketing. It feels like we are doing it wrong. Devrat, why don't you post tech videos like Kotlin multi-platform, CI/CD development, mobile app, cloud backend for mobile app, etc.? Devrat, I can post all these things, and I just don't like making tutorial videos, to be honest. I feel I'm already doing so much tech things in my day. And then if I put all that effort in my cinematic, which is kind of like, you know, YouTube and all, making these videos is my creative escape from my brain, where I do not want to make again tech things. I know these kind of videos get a little bit more views compared to other videos, but I still feel I think of like, what is my aim to make videos? It's to express myself in a creative way. It's kind of my hobby. I do not want to make it like just for views. So that is the only reason I do not like making tech tutorial videos. There is this whole MCP video which is lying on my machine right now, which I recorded, but I am not really interested in editing it. I just don't enjoy it. I know people from team completing whole project with AI, obviously. Okay. For marketing, I recommend MarketUp. It is a successful digital marketing company. Okay, interesting. Do you, Ishan Sharma, the freelancer? Do you what? I don't know. If you invest in marketing, think about Byju's. He was a freelancer, but now he runs his own agency called MarketUp. Okay. Through which app are you up to date in industry? Example like Daily Dev Medium. I just browse X. I have like made my timeline in a way that I get all the latest information on my X timeline. And then there is this Chrome timeline, which I get, which is also like customized by the algorithm for me. So these 2 places where most of my information comes. I have subscribed to like maybe 4-5 newsletters, which I do actively check. And yeah, so these are the 3 places from where these are my information sources. But Twitter is like the number 1 for me. Exactly, same as YouTube videos. Sometimes it clicks for 40,000 views. Most times it is 230 views. Yes. And then when I started posting YouTube videos, my aim was not to look at views, not to look at likes, nothing. Just do it because you like it. And once I changed this philosophy of my personally, it felt easier to like, you know, make things, post about it, be free of the judgment or views. Like these things do not really, like they get you. Like right now, I feel like most of my new videos, when they do not get initial views, I feel like, okay, something I did wrong, but I'm still actively fighting from that urge. I should not feel it that way. It was my creation. I made it. I published it. People saw it, maybe 10, 20, 100. and I should just leave it there. I should think about the next thing which I'm going to do. Devrat Patnaik, no, I'm saying post video like Bite Monk YouTube channel. Post videos like Bite Monk. What is Bite Monk? But aren't these like the whole tutorial kind of videos, right?
Most engineers.
Yeah, I mean, making this video will take me like a month. I don't even know how to do all these fancy designing, fancy things on the screen. I mean, they are taking their good time. They're making a 9-minute video about Redis and the whole architecture of it. Again, this is the thing. I do not want to make these kind of videos. These are full tech explanation where a person has to first have a good knowledge about this concept. Then they have to make a good script about it. Then they have to make the designs, editing, voiceover. It takes a lot of effort to make this video, and that too on a technical domain, which I'm already doing on my projects. I'm already doing all these things practically on my projects. I do not get any extra satisfaction making this video, sharing as a knowledgeable information, because someone else can make it, right? Like this guy has already made it. Why would I? Will I make it better than him? I don't think so. So, and will it give me any creative satisfaction? I don't think so. So that's why I will not make this kind of videos. If you weren't streaming, we could never have met because of the age gap. again a big jab on my age. Happy life. If you were okay, we have one of my brother was scared of coding, but now he's building websites for clients in a company using AI with just some intermediate React knowledge. He's taking help from AI and senior as well. Awesome. That's the power of AI. They are saying cursor with some MCPs. Yes, cursor with MCP is a powerhouse. Oh, it's already 10:30, guys. We were just talking for so long. I really loved it today. Who won there? Claude, guys. My bet is still on Gemini, which you guys are missing on. So Gemini will be the winner in the long run. And let's note this date. What is the date? Today is 15th of March. One day when Gemini wins in the next 6 months. I might forget this, that I said this. So you guys have to remind me that, hey, Dev, you told us that Gemini is going to win, and it won. So you said this on 15th of March. So my bet is on Gemini, guys. We are missing on it. Okay, so thank you guys. Thank you so much for watching today's stream. I know we didn't do anything on our product, but we had a fun chat. I reflected on a lot of thoughts which are helpful for tomorrow's retro session. Tomorrow is Sunday. I'll do my retro for the next week. So yeah, thank you everyone for joining. I wish you all the best. Good night, and I'll see you on Monday.